It's nice to dream and make plans how all would happen. But it's always different than the reality. There has been many challenging times, and some of them have been outside of my comfort zone. Those are the times which teaches me a lot about myself, how I'm handling hard issues. When I try my best with all that I have to make things work, those are the times which makes me strong in the end. Welcome to this story. Hi, my name is Mia. I'm waiting for the coffee to be ready and to the coffee bread to be ready also. So, I could tell you about one thing I have been thinking about a lot. If you hear me, this is quite noisy. In my last story and the story before that, I was telling you about that I want to start or continue with the wellness business that I have been dreaming for many years. I have probably told you that I have been a masseur, and I had some accident with my arm and I had to stop it for years. Now I have been thinking that I could start again by making a little bit less masseur than I used to. I could take 1 or 2 per day, and then I could do some healing work as well. Even though I remember I like to do those things, I'm somehow scared, and I don't know, what am I scared about? Is it like this home has become so private that I'm scared about bringing people here? But at least I was thinking that I could start with the Facebook. I could put my ad over there and first um, give some masseur to my friends and family and people I know, and then I could think that maybe I could put some ad to internet somewhere. So how hard can it be? How hard can it be? This is the issues we are thinking about. I know you might have something as well you have thinking you want to start with, and it just takes so much time to get there. This is life. I think that coffee bread is gonna be ready really soon. Look about this. I have get as a present this one and this one. I think it's really lovely. Okay, and how is it with my bread? Do I have something I could take it from here? I think it's ready. This kind of thing. Uh-oh, now the coffee is everywhere. I have coffee all over because this mug was so little, tiny, and I have always, or I usually drink with really large coffee cups, like these ones. So of course the coffee is all over. So now I have to tie it up first and then I'm gonna taste. So this is called joulutorttu at Finnish. I have to put there, what is it called in English? So now let's taste it. Okay. I don't know. I can't get a bite. And it's really hot, I can see. This marmalade is so hot that it's gonna burn my mouth. Probably. Mmm. Hmm. Now I can say that even though the coffee went all over, this moment is perfect. It's really good, this joulutorttu. And the marmalade, it's like a candy. It is really, really nice. Let's take one bite. Look, the first snow has arrived. Meanwhile, I have been tidying up the kitchen. When the beautiful sunny days has arrived, I feel the energy to do things. I like to spend times here in the sauna room. This is one of my favorite places to hang out. So let's make this room look much more nicer by changing this sofa. I have been planning this for so long. Now let's do it. When this sauna stove was working, I had brought some firewood to the sauna veranda. So now I will take it to the main house for use. And I'm gonna get some space to this veranda, and it will probably look so much more prettier without this firewood. In the spring I get the bed to the walk-in closet room. But I haven't really been thinking how I want this space to look like. So let's start by taking this sofa away. And maybe I will get some kind of inspiration how I want this room to look like. So, this sofa is going to the kitchen. What is here in this closet? It's my Christmas decoration. Yes. Look about here. Oh. Winter has arrived. It was the first really cold day when I was taking the water from the well. It was -4 degrees, but it felt like -8. It felt really heavy today because it's only about a couple of -Celsius, but still it's like freezing cold here. Autumn has been so warm that now it's like, how can I survive from the cold winter, because I'm already now like, ooh, it's cold. But I think it's like we get used to it. And I find my Christmas decorations there from the walk-in closet room when I was bringing the sofa to the kitchen. So I probably gonna start to decorate sooner this home. When I was young, we start 24th December, the same day when the Christmas started, when we had Christmas dinner and Santa Claus were coming and like that. We start to make the Christmas tree and all the decoration. And I have now started, like, because I have a birthday in December, so after my birthday I have started to put the decorations. And now I was thinking I might do that even before, not in this store, maybe in the next one, but candles, I think that is one thing I love when this time of the year, when it's really cold outside and then you're here inside, it feels like cozy when you have candles. And soon I'm gonna change the closet and let's see how it's gonna look with the sofa. This is a sofa where you can sleep and take this open. It's Christmas baking. And here is some apple cinnamon marmalade. And let's try this out. Maybe I put a little bit too much. This kind of thing. Here I warm some water that I can wash myself. It's like in the old days. I just made some coffee to myself. This marmalade apple cinnamon marmalade. It's so good that I could eat only this one. So probably that's gonna be really nice tasty. Yes. Oh, these lamps are always in my way. I have a book about chocolate, and someday I wanna try to do these things. There's drinks and maybe cakes and different things. Here is smoothie, brunch, cakes, a lot of things. I get out of water, so I have to take the water outside that I continue with the dishes. Okay, I still can't see. The light is coming straight to my eye. I have to get a lamp over there. But when it's the daytime, I gonna get enough light that I can read over here. But oh, 2 days work, and now I have the sofa here. The kitchen is not ready yet, but it's coming. Soon I'm gonna start the Christmas decoration. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care.